Gold against US dollar. This day it means that it is starting to rise above 4356.49 as support level, and we can see there is still open space to reach 4449.37, which is the next resistance level, and this is where the price is currently heading. This is visible on the daily time frame because the price is in the last several days in the uptrend. It is reaching the higher price levels, and we can see the price is reached at the daily resistance 4449.37. retraced back down and bouncing from this area of support. Now it's heading up, which means there is a smaller resistance around 4408 where these open and close of these candles are located to allow the price to reach higher price levels. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price is currently at this resistance level 4396.45. We can see on the daily time frame we have said that there is a smaller resistance around 4408. 4408 is very close to this area of resistance, and we can see the 4-hour time frame shows much more clearly which that level is as a resistance which the price needs to break in order to allow the price to reach higher price levels. This is on the 4-hour time frame. We can see the price has managed to bounce from this area of resistance and then almost reaching this area of support, but not successfully. The price has found enough strength, which means the bulls are stronger than the sellers are, and the price is heading up to the higher price levels. The 1-hour time frame is currently not very clear because I need to clear this chart, but 4-hour time frame for now shows me that the gold will try to reach high price levels, and we can see where the next target is. It is around 4449.37, and I will adapt a little bit this area. So let me fix this one. Okay. I have this indicator that automatically draws rectangles around the horizontal lines, so I need to refresh the indicator to allow me to see this rectangle around these horizontal levels. And we can see that I have adapted the daily resistance level, which is now 4435.10, much more precisely, which is shown on the 4-hour time frame. So this is the target where I'm expecting the price will reach in the next day, or today potentially. This is only needed for the price to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 4396.45. Currently we are here visible on the daily uptrend, and it is also visible here on the 4-hour time frame. It is an uptrend where the price has stalled for a while, bouncing back down, and it is currently recovering, trying to reach higher price levels, which means this will be the first, second and third time where the price will attack 4435.10. So the daily time frame shows this area of resistance as a resistance, and then if the price manages to go above this area of resistance, the price will try to reach higher price levels, where I can see that the next resistance will be around this area here, which is 4500. I need to adapt and also refresh these resistance levels based on the 4-hour time frame and the daily resistance and support levels. What is your idea where the price is heading? Will the price reach higher price levels today, as I have mentioned, making a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, or it will go down, reaching 4356.49, which means a daily support level, or it will move sideways? Feel free to leave a comment below so we can discuss that. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.